The LIN extension identifies an AutoCAD Linetype file containing line pattern definitions for engineering drawings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, load, or troubleshoot these CAD Linetype definition files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective LIN file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. LIN files are Linetype definition files for Autodesk AutoCAD containing custom line pattern specifications, including dash, dotted, and complex line types with embedded text or shapes. They define how lines appear in engineering drawings and technical documentation. AutoCAD LIN files use a plain text format with line type definitions containing name description and pattern specification. Each pattern defines dash, gap, dot, and embedded shape sequences using numeric values for segment lengths. Complex line types include text and symbol references. Generally, LIN files are associated with Autodesk AutoCAD developed by Autodesk, Inc. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows may display the settings, yet safe modification requires understanding dependencies. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your LIN file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the LIN file opens. If you're still with me, that LIN file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, loading line types. In AutoCAD, type line type at the command line and click Load. Browse to the LIN file and select the desired line type definitions to load into the current drawing. Loaded line types become available in the Properties panel and Layer Manager for assignment. Next, creating custom line types. Open a text editor and create a new LIN file following AutoCAD's line type syntax. Define the pattern name description line and alignment specification. Use positive values for dashes, negative for gaps, and 0 for dots. Save with the LIN extension. Finally, managing line types. Store custom LIN files in AutoCAD's support directory for automatic availability. Reference LIN files and drawing templates to ensure consistent line type availability across projects. Use the LTScale command to adjust line type display scale for different drawing scales. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.